Hey, this is JP down at Nemer Volkswagen, and today I'm going to show you guys how the Park Assistant feature works on the new 2020 Passat SEL. First, you're going to find the lot that you're trying to park in and press the Park Assistant button so that way it's glowing. Pressing this button one time will turn on the car's sensors and scan for the kind of spot that you're trying to park in, whether it's a parallel or perpendicular spot. Pressing twice will cycle between those two options. Once you find a spot, slowly drive past it so the sensors can scan the area. Remember, this feature only controls the steering wheel. Your car will not brake or gas on its own, so please keep an eye out for passing vehicles as well as following the dashboard commands. Once prompted to, put the car in reverse while easing off the brake to allow your car to maneuver into its spot. Keep following the dashboard commands until it says Park Assistant has ended. Voila, you're parked. These same instructions can be utilized for parallel parking spaces as well. Please remember, this is a parking assistant feature, not an automatic parking system. So you're responsible for braking and gassing your own vehicle. For more help, subscribe to the Nemer VW YouTube account and follow JP at Nemer on Instagram for more instructional videos releasing every week. Thank you for being one.